The TF-662 series, brought to you by Tac-Force. This model comes in 6 different configurations: black, silver, digital camouflage, dark camouflage, the police model, and the SWAT team model. An incredible tribute to a world-famous historical firearm. This item fits in the palm of your hand, a miniature replica with incredible detail. An excellent gift for any firearms or history enthusiast. This item also includes a working penknife with a 3-inch blade, razor sharp, an excellent utility option, a Tac-Force replica model firearm with a utility knife built into it, an excellent and unique item.